this morning at 9:22. Florida is known for having a rich wildlife and plant life, as we know. But do you know how to start planting your own while keeping it alive?
That's the hard part.
That's where I
second
fail.
part, right. Alex Alisi is at the Orlando Science Center for this week's Science of It, showing us a craft that we can all do that may inspire our green thumb.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Science of It. I'm here with Kaylee, and Kaylee, we have a very fun experiment and project here to do. What are we going to be doing here?
We are going to be hydro dipping some planters, and I'm actually going to send you home with some Florida native wildflower seeds in the hopes that you will plant your own pollinator garden.
Awesome, I love that. So how do we go about this?
Yeah, so we are going to actually make a dipping mechanism for our pot first so our hands don't get dirty. We're not just going to plunge our pot right in there.
Gotcha.
So if you want to take your pipe cleaner and your button, we're just going to thread one end of that pipe cleaner through the button and move your button about halfway down.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the same thing with the other end of that pipe cleaner. Thread it through and pull your button all the way down. Good.
All right.
And then we're just going to twist the ends together just like that.
Gotcha. So button, pipe cleaner, and then this is a terracotta pot, right?
This is a terracotta pot, yeah.
Okay.
And next, we're just going to take the ends of the pipe cleaner and put them right through the drainage hole in the bottom of our pot. And then we have something to hold on to while we dip our pots.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can set those down for just a second. I'm actually going to put gloves on for this next part.
Okay.
We are using a hydrophobic marbling paint today. So basically this paint doesn't like water. It won't mix with the water. It's just going to sit right on the top.
Okay.
And as we dip our pot, the surface tension of the water is going to help just kind of stick that paint right to our pot.
Awesome. So this kind of paint, is this easy to get, or what else can people use?
Yeah, this is a really, really easy to get paint. We just get this in bulk off of Amazon.
Okay.
And you can get this at home. They have kid-friendly versions of this as well. This is pretty kid-friendly too. It just can stain your hands and your fingers.
Gotcha.
So.
Okay.
All right, so we are going to put about 5 drops of each paint into the bucket.
Okay. And I picked purple and orange, I think.
Yeah, and I have pink and blue today. And then once your paint is in there, we're gonna take our dowel rod and just kind of gently swirl our paint.
I'm gonna watch, see how you're doing this.
Yeah, just like to make it look marbled.
Okay. Oh wow, that is cool.
Isn't that pretty?
I was trying to stick to my dowel
Yeah,
already.
I told you, it's pretty sticky. And then I usually use my dowel rod to help me kind of push the pot down. So I do pot in one hand, dowel rod in the other, and then just slowly, like we're in slow motion, we're gonna dip it in.
Okay.
And then once you're fully dipped, we're gonna freeze.
I'm gonna watch you again.
Sure. And then once I'm in there, I'm just gonna move away all that excess paint off the top, out of the way of my pot before I lift it back up.
Okay.
And then I lift it up.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice. All right, let me
All
give
right,
this a
your
shot.
turn, Alex.
All right. You know, practice makes perfect.
I love it. It's very unique. It has character.
Thank you. Thank you. This is really fun. So how many times can you dip these in one, or should I make another batch if I was going to make another one?
Sure. So we actually run this as a weekend workshop here at the Science Center every weekend through the end of January. So when we do it in the workshop, we just clean the water using a piece of cardstock. So we just kind of scoop out the excess paint, and then you can dip another one.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So where can people do this here again? Tell me more about that.
Yeah, of course. So if you come visit us here at the Science Center through the end of January, we'll be running our Painted Pollinator Pots workshop. This is a grant-funded workshop, so we're very thankful to the Glenn W. Bailey Foundation for providing us the funding for this. And that's every single weekend at 2 and 3:30 in KidsTown. So come see us in KidsTown, make a pot. We're going to learn about pollinators, pollination, and we'll send you home with some seeds to plant your own garden at home.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for showing me this, and thank you for joining us here on the Science of It.